Recently, I posted a video about Creality's customer service for the Ender 3 V2 3D printer I bought, and here's an update coming up. Hi, I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and I just wanted to give a little quick update on the results I had from the video I posted earlier on Creality's customer service, because at the time I was getting no reply. For specifics, I put the initial inquiry and I guess if you want to call it a complaint, warranty claim, whatever you want to call it, on October 28th, which was a Wednesday. And by Saturday I had received no reply, and I'd done it a couple different ways, and I'd also made a claim with Banggood, which is where I bought it. And I've bought things with Banggood before and never had a problem. Since I didn't get any type of reply, then over the weekend I made that previous video on no customer service and no answer. Of course, yeah, granted that was the weekend, but by Monday there was still nothing. No replies, no acknowledgement. The form was still missing off of Creality's website for a warranty claim. So I went one step further and posted it on the Creality Facebook group. There's a lot of power with social media, but you have to understand something. You better have some thick skin. I don't care what group you post to. If you post anything remotely negative, the group cheerleaders and the fanboys who live in their mother's basement are going to come at you big time. And I don't care. I've belonged to groups before, and if you want to get in some really rough groups, get in an electricians group. There you'll find out who has no mercy. But at any rate, within a couple hours after posting this on their Facebook group, I received an email that Creality will be replacing the main board, along with giving me a free spool of filament, and it'll be sent through Banggood. So I'll do an update when I get that. I also received an email back from Banggood. They want a video of this not working, which to me, that makes no sense whatsoever, but I'm going to send them one. I'll go up and shoot a video of a blank screen if that's what they want. But Creality is going to stand behind their product. At least they say they are. I've gotten 2 emails from them. So we'll see what happens. As always, if I have a negative problem with something and it does get resolved, I will certainly update and give updates on it. But that's just a quick little update on what's going on with Creality and their customer service. If they do come through, that's great. When I get the part, I'll certainly be making a video of putting it in and doing the startup and any other type of troubleshooting I need to do. Otherwise, I'm Roger in the shop. See you on the next one.